The World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, provides accessibility guidelines for designing content that accommodates all individuals, including those with disabilities. Since many assistive technologies rely on HTML code, building content within HTML editors improves accessibility. Features such as headings particularly enable better interpretation and presentation of content. The following tutorial demonstrates how to set up accessible LMS content using the HTML editor in D2L. In the navigation bar, click on Content. Add a module for the new content. Click on New and select Create a File. Provide a title for the content. In the HTML box, add titles, subtitles, and the text. Format each with the built-in CSS options. For example, use H1 for the first title, H2 for the subtitle, and so on. Use paragraph for your main content. Click Save and Close.